Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Google Pay updated, your mobile number active, and a UPI PIN ready. Open Google Pay and tap the Profile or Bank section to check UPI Lite availability. If you see UPI Lite, enable it. Follow on-screen prompts to create a Lite balance. This converts small payments into a local wallet for quicker transfers. Once done, note the maximum wallet cap and verify the linked bank account. This lets you preload money safely and use UPI Lite immediately. Next, load funds. Tap Add Money in the UPI Lite section, choose an amount within the wallet cap, and confirm with your UPI PIN. You'll see UPI Lite as a payment option at merchants and in-app checkouts. Select it for instant payments without bank-to-merchant handshakes. Once used, the balance reduces immediately. Reloading is manual or optional auto-reload based on your settings. Make sure to check daily and per-transaction limits so you don't hit a cap mid-payment, which could force a fallback to regular UPI. To finish, always view the payment receipt and confirm the UPI Lite balance updated. Then cross-check your bank SMS to ensure no double debits. If a payment fails, wait 10 to 15 seconds and retry. Often network or merchant tokenization causes a temporary glitch, and retry works. If balance seems wrong or a transaction is debited twice, capture the transaction ID and open Google Pay support. Provide the ID and timestamps so they can reconcile quickly. This keeps your funds accurate and resolves disputes faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.